Hi, my name is Talha Parkar, and in this video I will be showing you how we can make the key influencers visual. So as you can see to the right side of the screen, I have my cursor on the key influencers visual. I will click on that. I will expand this, and now to input something into the visual, to see the visual I need some fields. So I'll come to the right side of the screen, I'll click on fields, I'll select my sales data. Now what do I want to see? So if you look at the fields options that we have here, it says I need a data field to analyze and then a data field to explain the analysis by. And if I want, I can expand that as well. So I want to analyze my sales by my category. So when I expand this, you can look at this. So it gives me the option. So what influences sales to increase or decrease? I can choose one. So let's say when I say increase, when the average sales increases by category is technology. So sales is more likely to increase when category is technology than otherwise on average. So that means when I sell more products in the technology category, my sales are likely to increase. Now when I select the decrease option, it will give me another analysis. More likely to decrease when category is office supplies than otherwise. And this is an average. So it does this all on its own. Now if I want to expand, so I've done my category, but I also want to look at my segment. So I can select this, expand my segment. One second. Yeah. So when I go to my top segments right here, which is just besides the key influencer tag. So what when is sales more likely to be low? I again have an option of selecting high and low. So we found one segment and ranked them by average sales and population size. So when I select this segment, it will give me an in-depth analysis. So segment one, it says, is categories office supplies. It talks about the average sales, and then this also tells me that it is lower than the overall average. So you see what is happening here. It This visual helps me do analysis that I would have to spend a lot of time on. That I would have to look at data. I would have to sit down. I would have to do some manual calculations and maybe Excel, and then I would have to analyze and then get to the conclusion and say that okay, this is what my average sales is. This category is doing the best, or this particular category is not increasing my sales. So Power BI has such interesting visuals that let you take business decisions in such a swift and quick manner that you don't have to engage a lot of time. All you have to do is click on the visual, select a couple of fields that you want to analyze, and it gives you the best output. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.